Okay, so from your last session or from your last lecture, we have looked at the application of line integral and how to find your work done, which is f.dr. Okay, and also from there we also learn that if it is a conservative vector field, we can find the potential function. Therefore FB tolak FA. Mana dia tadi? FB tolak FA is this guy. Okay, ni FB tolak FA, which is the using the potential function. Okay, so which is you can clearly see in dalam UBM tutorial lah, like we have discussed. Okay, going to the next section, which is your Green's theorem. Okay, so Green's theorem provides a relationship between line integral around a simple closed curve C. Okay, that is what you need to highlight here. Simple closed curve C. Okay, ni simple closed curve C. Okay, bermaksud apa? Dia mesti close. Kalau tak close curve, kita boleh gunakan series theorem. Okay. Alright. Specifically, it says that C is positively oriented, piecewise smooth, simple closed curve in the plane, and R is the region bounded by C. Okay. So then del mx y dx plus mx y dy can be written as del m del x plus del m over del y. And itulah adalah Green's theorem. Okay. So basically, yang sebelum ni kita tengok pada work done. Mana dia work done? Okay. Mana dia work done? Ni. Okay. So kalau sebelum ni kita tengok work done, so you have f.dr, komponen m dan dxm, komponen n dan dy juga. So sama juga dengan Green's theorem, where you have work done, which is f.dr. So f.dr. So work done okay. So work done equal to f.dr adalah formula yang kita dah buat sebelum. Okay. See, it is a closed simple curve. Ini maksudnya closed curve lah, so boleh dilihat di sini. Ini dia closed curve. So dia beza sikit yang tadi dulu. Okay. So maksudnya double integral of dA ni apa? dx dy je lah. Atau dy dx. Okay. So note that Green's theorem applies to the region dx y plane. For example, okay. So this is a simple closed curve. Okay. Ini simple closed curve. Jadi dia close curve tapi dia bukan simple. Okay. So maksudnya dia dah overlap each other. Ini nak buat. Right. This is positive orientation. So apa? Use your right hand rule. Right hand rule. Ini orientation ke arah kita genggaman. That is the positive orientation. Kalau dia balik ini, negative oriented lah. Tapi usually lah, soalan-soalan yang begini lah. Soalan tak begini, selalunya dia bisa. Alright. So example 3.15, use Green's theorem to evaluate. Okay. So usually kita akan beritahu work done ataupun f.dr. Sebenarnya dia akan beritahu begini lah. So apa dia beritahu? This is your m, this is your n. Okay. Apa lagi? C is a triangle with vertices with positive orientation. So just plot your graph. Okay. So now let us plot dulu. Nak bagi nampak. So you have 0, 0, 1, 0. So you have 0, 0 here. Okay. 1, 0, which is on the right side, and also 1, 2. So this is 1, 0, and then 1, 2. So this will be your triangle. Macam tu, and also macam tu. Kecil lah sikit. Kalau nak besarkan, you kena gunakan, tukar dia punya apa, axis lah. Okay. So since it is positive oriented, use your right hand rule. So your arrow will be this way, and also this way. Okay. Positive oriented. Okay. So a simple closed curve C. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually the same as m dx plus n dy lah. Ni sama lah ni. Okay. So f dot dr m dx and dy. If you notice dia punya dua komponen dekat x and y, selalunya base ni 2 dimension lah. Dia tak full lah sampai 3 dimension. Okay. So this one nx tolak 2 maksudnya n differentiate respect to x, n differentiate respect to y. So kalau formula atas tadi apa? Double integration of del n over del x. Yang ni boleh. Dia ada banyak cara lah. Usually dalam you punya, if I'm not mistaken, dalam you punya formula dia akan bagi macam ni okay. Dia akan bagi macam tu lah. Okay, dalam you punya list of formulas. Okay. Alright. So for a given problem mxy dan juga n x square y cube, so you have del n over del y, ini del n over del x. Okay. Differentiate biasa bila x tolak my in dengan sini 2x y cube tolak x. So the region R that we described by okay. So to decide the range, tengok balik sketch. Okay, DA macam biasalah kita kena buat decide lah, nak buat vertical ataupun horizontal. Macam ni lah, dapat dx ataupun dx tu kan kita recall balik macam ni. Okay, so the easiest one yang menegak lah kan. Okay, yang menegak lah macam tu. So you will have x in between apa, and also y in between apa. So your y will be apa ni? C 0 until ni apa yang kita mencari ni. Ini cari lah dekat point 0 dekat point 1 mencari lah step forward. Okay. So you have 0 here. Okay, saya lagi cari lah. So your x will be moving from left to right adalah kosong right. Cari formula. Okay, 0 until 1. Tapi bawah tu pun dia beritahu dah kan. Dia beritahu dah range until 2x. Sebab apa? Y equal to mx plus c. C awak adalah y intercept kan? Y intercept apa? Kosong. M 2 tolak kosong, tak lagi 1 tolak kosong 2. So y will be in between 2x. Okay. So therefore okay. So you have here 0 and 1, y adalah kosong over x. Therefore double integral yang ni kita bagi dulu dA adalah y x. Okay. So y will be in between 0 until 2x. X will be in between 0 until 1. Okay. So you dapat this guy. Okay. Ada final answer dia bagi. Okay. So while you are figuring it out, kira dulu, compute the integration. Formula ni ikutlah which one you are comfortable with. You write the one that you are comfortable with. Okay. Ada soalan seperti ini, ada soalan seperti ini. Ada soalan yang ada. Oh, ini pun dia bagi dah. Okay. Alright. Okay, can we leave it out first? Yang tu, that is just a straightforward integration that you guys buat lah. Okay, and the final answer pun dah ada bawah tu. Okay. Alright, my priority is okay. Example 3.16 pun is a good example. Okay. Right. Evaluate the line integral. CSM, you have your M, you have your N. C is a positive oriented boundary of the region bounded by a circle of radius 1, 3, centered at the origin and lying in the first quadrant. Okay. So you know this is your first quadrant. So you have your first quadrant here. So you have radius 1. So therefore this will be your what you call that, circle, and also radius 3. This will also be your circle. Macam tu. Right, since dia kata sini C is positively oriented boundary region, apa lagi, radius 1 and also 3. Macam ni lah your apa, your region will be jadi macam ni lah. Macam tu. Okay, and also macam tu lah. Okay, macam tu, and also macam tu. Okay, teruskan ni. Oh, okay, I tahu dia punya ni tak sama. Okay, dia punya ni tak sama. Okay, so positive oriented macam tu lah. Macam tu, dan juga macam tu. Okay, that is a positive oriented lah. Okay, apa lagi nak cakap sini? Okay, nothing much here. So this one nanti boleh buat sendiri, and in the table below kan, is your nx, your ny, differentiate your biasa. Okay, after that, okay, my highlight here is how to define your dv. Okay, my highlight here, since dia beritahu dah radius 1 yang kita, therefore data jadi kosong kalau full 2 pi kan, separuh jadi pi, separuh ni pi apa? 2 Okay, so you know the data, you know your R. Apa lagi nak kena tukar? Okay. So you need to change in your graph. DA jadi apa? R tapi RD. And last one, NX and Y. Kita ada dalam tu. So you can take up Y sama dengan sin theta. R sin theta. X sama dengan R cos tadi Y sama dengan R cos theta. Okay, so that one you kena double check with it. Alright, so this one you need to find it. Okay, after finding this, and then you find your, and then do your substitution. Y sama dengan R cos theta. X kan, X ke R? Check balik. R eh? Apa yang R eh? X ke Y? This is triple integral, double integral. X sama dengan R cos theta. Okay. X sama dengan R cos theta, Y sama dengan R sin theta. Okay, dA is equal to R drd theta. Macam tu. Okay, sebab apa yang aku buat sisi apa? Saya lagi dia panjang. Okay, that's why I skip it. So I bagi idea dulu macam mana nak buat. Okay, so atas tu differentiate biasa, get your nx and ny, dan jika dua ni a dan b, so you can find your double integration. Okay, alright, ada soalan so far? Ada? Okay, going to the next section. Ini ayat dia panjang sikit. Verify Green's theorem. Dia bukan kata find use Green's theorem. Verify Green's theorem for again, okay, where C is the boundary of the region Y is equal to x cubed, and the x-axis shown in the diagram below. So this is positive oriented circle. Circle shape, And then, so since the question asks you to verify, okay, so yang ni sama je. Okay, what does it mean verify? Belah kanan kita buat, belah kiri pun buat. It was verified. Okay, so for this case, we buat macam biasa on the right side dulu. Okay, okay, kat sini sampai sini. Okay, bawah ni dia punya region 0 until x cube adalah for y range x 0 until 1 for x range. So ini soalan dengan kita. Okay, boleh. So using this theorem, okay, tak dua itu juga. This theorem nampak mudah, betul tak? Okay, masuk kena verify. Okay. Okay, for the left hand side kena buat segment by segment. C1 kena buat, C2 kena buat, C3 kena buat. So for this case dia let C1 kosong ke 10. So dia let macam ni. So atas ni 10, yang ni lah. So 0 ke 10. So this is your C1. Atas ni dia buat C2, sini dia buat C3. Nampak? So this step is the same as yang example sebelum kita buat, first section sebelum kita buat, which is verify kan. So kita buat line integral ni tambah line integral ni tambah line integral ni. Okay. Tapi usually tak melibatkan parametrik lah, sebab this is just a straightforward one. Okay, ingat tak yang kita kata dulu tadi? So since y sama dengan kosong, therefore dy over dx sama dengan kosong. Betul tak? So peringkat kita mana? dy sama kosong betul tak? Kan? Ini sama dengan kita. Okay, ini jadi dulu. So dx apa ni? Satu y dan dy itu dan juga. Okay, x kosong sama satu. But remember, y sama dengan kosong. Dan di sini kosong juga. Kosong sama kosong. Okay, look at C2. This is a straight line menegak ke atas. So x equal to 1, dx equal to 0. While y equal to 0 to 1. Y equal to 0 to 1. Okay, so substitute your x and dx. So dx menjadi kosong habis. X sama 1, so tinggal y je lah. Betul? So tinggal 4y square dy. Y adalah apa? 0 aja. 1 dari sini integrate besar adalah 4 ke okay. C3 susah sikit sebab dia curve apa? Curve punya ni kan, curve punya line kan. Okay. So you have 0, 0 nanti 1, 1. So for this segment y equal to x cube, so dapat dari sini dy sama dengan 3x kuasa 2 dx. Sebab dia kan 2 dx kan, so dx box ni. So dy gantikan dalam ni, ni dapat 3x square dx. Untuk x adalah 0,1. So y pun dia ganti juga dalam ni. Jadi dah x kuasa 3 kuasa 2. Kerana ni sini juga x kuasa 3 kuasa 2 bagi. Beda lah. So semua dia term dx. So expand biasa sini jadi 2x kuasa 10. Sini jadi 4x kuasa 12x kuasa 10 juga. So dalam nombor 2 14. 10 tambah 1 11 kan? 11. Itu dia biasa. Dapatlah lagi 14 plus 11 tambah dengan yang atas 4 per 3. Dapatlah proof that it is equal to 2 over 5 means. Okay. So that is the longer part of the question. That is for Green's theorem. Okay. Ada soalan tak Green's theorem so far? Ada soalan? Ada soalan tak Green's theorem? Ni jadi Green's theorem. Apply formula. Tapi dia relate dengan yang lain juga yang atas tadi tu. Okay, right. Surface integral sekejap lagi kita masuk. Okay, flux pun sekejap lagi. Okay. So, let us look at one example of past year. Tutorial. This one additive. Green's theorem. Okay. Page 154. Okay. So this is the formula macam yang atas tadi tu lah, where we have look at what is your my, what is your nx and so on. Okay. So this is February 2025. Okay. Verify the Green's theorem for the work done of. Nampak keyword dia, verify. Ni. So kat mana pun kena verify dah ni. Okay. Verify Green's theorem. So where path are shown in figure 4. Kali ni path dia pergi ke bawah. Tapi usually dia akan bagilah 2 straight line, 1 curve. Dia takkanlah bagi susah-susah sangat. Okay. Ni pun dia namakan dah. This is your C1, this is your C2, this is your C3. Ikut balik je lah. Okay. So kalau boleh kita label lah siap-siap sini. Sini apa? 4 kosong. Betul tak? Sini 4 negatif 2, sini kosong kosong. Kita label siap-siap. Okay. So you nak buat line integral dulu ke Green's theorem dulu? Green's theorem dulu. Okay. So label out, this is your M, this is your N. Green's theorem kata apa? Double integral del M over del Y minus del N over del X D A. Betul tak? So kita balik. Del N del X, sorry. Del N del X. Okay. Jangan terbalik tau. Dah lah formula dibagi dalam apa? Dalam list formula. Because ada case saya jumpa student bagi dia letak terbalik. Okay, sayang lah. Alright. So first of all, so Green's theorem. Okay, so your M is equal to X plus XY square, and your N is equal to 2X square Y. So del M over del Y is equal to, and then del N over del X is equal to berapa? Okay, cari dulu. So after that, nak ganti terus ke nak buat ni dulu? Okay. So del M over del Y dapat apa? 2xy. Okay. Yang sebelah kanan ni 4xy. Good. Alright. So either you can minus terus del N over del X tolak del M over del Y, you akan dapat 2xy, ataupun you can find your interval dulu. Okay. So from here, so nak senang buat vertical kan nak buat horizontal? Vertical lah juga kan? Okay, vertical. So it will be like that. Okay. So for this case, you akan ambil apa? Y in between apa? X in between apa? Apa lantai? What is your floor? What is your atap? X equal to Y square. Okay, so you kena susun balik kan? So X equal to Y square, Y equal to square root X. But remember, positive, negative. So is it a positive or is it a negative? Negative, very good. So negative square root X. Until atap apa? Apa dia atas ni? Kosong. Okay. So Y equal to 0. So X moving to the left until right, 0 until 4. Very good. Okay. Okay. Ada certain case dia nak buka, dia tak nak positif negatif ni kan. Dia ambil horizontal. So dia tak guna buka positif negatif. So dia ambil X in between floor bawah will be Y square, then Y sama dengan X sama 4. So there is 2 ways lah kalau kita tak nak buat. So this is horizontal, this is vertical. So this is vertical, which is dy dx. Okay, so I'm just going to write it down here. So with my black pen, kalau siapa nak buat horizontal, this will be the case. So horizontal dx dy. So you will take x y square until x equal to 4. Pak. So turun ke bawah, you will have y in between, which is negative 2 until negative 2. This is negative 2 until 0 lah. This is negative 2 until 0. Okay. So ada macam apa? So up to you lah. So I think most of you guys akan buat ini sebab senang lebak kan. Most of you guys akan make this one. So double integral del m over del y del n del x tolak del m del y dA is equal to double integral 4x tolak 2xy, 2xy je tinggal. So dy dx, which is negative square root x sampai kosong, 0 until 4. Okay, so ini kita cari 2xy square over 2. So tinggal xy square je lah kan. So 0 until 4, xy square buka kurungan negative square root x until square root x until 0 dx. So remember you nak gantikan y ke dalam tu. So you akan dapat sini 0 until 4 kosong tolak buka kurungan, you will have here x multiply with negative square root x kuasa 2 buka kurungan dx. So you akan tinggal sini 0 until 4 negative x kuasa 2 dx. Square root dengan square cancel Negatif kuasa 2 positif. Okay. So you akan dapat sini negatif x cube over 3 0 until 4. So 4 kuasa 3 64 per 3. Negatif 64 over 3. Okay. That is for Green's theorem. Okay. So okay. So remember walaupun zero kat atas tu nanti you so kadang-kadang ini lupa nanti. Okay, kadang ini lupa. Boleh. Okay. So Green's theorem usually dia tak banyak sangat apa, mungkin 6 marks. Okay. Jadi yang mana yang verify around 8 marks mungkin. So usually the verify is very banyak markah. Okay. Worst comes to worst, kalau you tak tahu ganti, bolehlah dy sama kosong, dx sama kosong, and so on. Okay. So to verify this, okay. So double integral. So you'll have here k x plus xy square dx plus 2x square y dy. Okay. So untuk C1, okay, C1 you have apa tadi C1? 0 0 until 4 negative 2 on the line x equal to y square. Okay. So since dia bagi dx equal to y square, carilah dx y. Okay. Janganlah pergi nak terbalikkan jadi y sama dengan square negative square x dan jadi dx. Susah lah kan kita dah. So since dia dah kena macam ni, buat teruslah dx over dy. Okay, dx over dy kat bawah 2y lah. So integrate respect to y. Okay. So you get here dx over dy equal to 2y. So therefore you akan dapat kat sini dx equal to 2y dy. Nampak tak? So you will be changing this term daripada dx dengan dy in term of dy saja. Yeah. So y will be moving adalah 0 ya, negative. So for C1 you akan dapat sini integration 0 until negative 2. Ingat kena ikut anak panah. Okay, jangan terbalik negative 2 until 0. Kena ikut anak panah. So you akan dapat sini x equal to y square. So y square tambah y square dx kita adalah 2y dy tambah 2 buka kurungan y square kuasa 2 y dy. Another common mistake students will make kat sini kita tak tahu. So apa yang ni kita dah akan kawan ni juga. Okay, adalah sometimes dia assume dia ini tak ada kurungan. Okay, because we need to expand this line. Okay, bagi apa lagi? Okay. So you have here 0 negative 2 2y kuasa 3 tambah 2y kuasa 5 tambah 2y kuasa 5 juga dy. Betul tak? Check balik if I make a mistake. So y expands to sini y expands to sini this is 4 ni 4 darab 1. Okay. So nak mudahkan lagi you akan dapat sini 4 lah kan. So 0 until negative 2 2y kuasa 3 tambah 4y kuasa 5 dy. So you can integrate macam biasa. 2y kuasa 4 per 4 tambah 4y kuasa 6 per 6 0 until negative 2. Put inside your calculator lah yang ni. So cancel. Okay, nanti bagi tahu lah what's the answer, what do you get. Okay, that is for C1. Okay, untuk C2 you will have apa dia tadi, 4 negative 2 up to 0 40 40. Apa lagi? Itu je lah kan. Okay, so nothing much here. You only have x equal to 4 and then you have y in between negative 2 until 0. Dx is equal to 0. Okay, maybe I should change here. Okay, okay. So gantikan X kosong, ini bisa kosong terus. Bagi Y, Y di sini. X adalah X. X. X ini kan. Jadi apa? So you'll get here integration berapa tadi? Negatif 2 kosong 0 plus 2 4 kuasa 2 y d y. Macam tu lah. So 4 kuasa 2 adalah 16 darab 2 32. So you'll have here 32 bracket y square over 2. Okay. So negative 2 until 0. So again this one cancel, tinggal 16. So you'll have here 16 bracket 0 minus negative 2 kuasa 2. So 4 times 16 you akan dapat sini 64, is it? Ke lebih kot. Okay. You get negative something lah. Okay. And the last one C3. C3 I leave it up to you. Okay. I have guide you C2. Lebih kurang je same step for C3. Silap-silap kosong. Silap-silap. C3 adalah apa? 40 ke 00? So you have 40 until 00. So you have here y equal to 0. So dy equal to 0. Lagi x in between 4 until 0 kan? 4 until 0. Dua per 3. negative 64. So C3 follows. So misalnya tadi apa? X, jadi X0 X over Remember, 4 under 0 plus 0 under 4. Make sure you punya integration tu ke. Empat kat bawah, 0 kat atas. So 4 until 0, x plus 0 dx plus 0, okay, equal to x square over 2 kurungan 4 sampai kosong. You akan dapat sini kosong tolak 4 square 16 per 2 negatif 8. So tambah C1 plus C2 plus C3. Tambah 3 ni, you should get the same answer ini. Okay. C1 plus C2 plus C3. Tambahlah 3 ni. You should get the same answer. Dapat? Dapat? So, verify Green's theorem. Macam tu lah. Lebih kurang macam tu je cukup lah. Okay. So this is C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, boleh? Alright, so you get the idea. So you can try all of the tutorial for ni tutorial apa? 12. Okay. So February 25 keluar, Julai keluar. Julai keluar. Usually dia keluar lah this Green's theorem ni. Okay. Tengok dia punya style question. Okay, February 25 verify. 2024 evaluate. Ini dia kena kira jugalah because dia nampak dia tapi dia ni dia guide you lah. You suruh kira C1 plus C2. After that baru bulan Green's theorem. After that determine for C3. Kalau determine C3. Jadi disuruh C1 plus C2 lah. Ingat tak C1 plus C3 sama dengan Green's theorem. So kebalikan dia. So you have Green's theorem final answer. Kebalikan dia Green's theorem bawa ke sana. Sorry, C1 dengan C2 bawa ke sini ditolak kan. Green's theorem ni akal kita. So dia tak ada ratio C3. Jadi dia tak suruh verify, tapi dia suruh cari what is your C3 menggunakan value 1 and 2. Okay, so this is tapi kalau you nak buat manually macam selalu buat yang macam tadi, tidak tak maaf sebab jalan suruh gunakan 4 tu. Ni Julai 2024 dia trick you sikit. Okay, Julai 2023 use Green's theorem tu I cakap 8 markah je. Okay, this is 14 marks. This is a lot actually. Finally you 100 marks tau. So quite banyak lah, 14 markah for this case. Okay, this is 12 marks. Okay, banyak lah. This is use Green's theorem juga. Okay, apa lagi I think Green's theorem mesti dia guide lah. Dia bagi the graph. You just keluar dari this graph. Okay, sometimes it doesn't give you the sebenarnya kat situ dapat markah lah nak cari apa equation tersebut. Okay, this is also the same. Ini tak bagi. This is February 2022. Okay. Alright, so this one is the same as well. Yang ni pun sama juga, Green's theorem. So this one you will be use Green's theorem, evaluate this one. DA ni akan gunakan what you call that, pola ni okay. Yang ni macam soalan tadi itulah. Soalan dalam tutup notes tadi tu. Cumanya kalau tadi first one dia ni first ni refer back to your notes. Okay, ini pun sama juga. Ni lagi senang lah because it is a straightforward question. Circle 4, radius 4. Ni susah sikit lah. This one you have use Green's theorem to evaluate dx dy. But anyways, this whole thing I can forward to you the full solution lah. Okay. Cuma awal-awal tu je tak ada solution. Yang Julai 2023 kot. I think sampai 2022 ada. 2023 yang start tak ada kan. Alright, so nak take 5 jap kan? Take 5 okay. So kita take 5 jap. So 11:10 kita sambung balik. So we will be going to the next section lah sekejap lagi. Okay. Surface integral, okay. So 11:10 lagi kita sambung. So nak pergi toilet boleh pergi toilet dulu, ambil angin dulu kat luar. Panas kan? Okay. Next week Monday, you guys ada kelas ke tak? Next week Selasa cuti umum. Okay. Monday you guys ada berapa kelas? Maksudnya lab you still ada ke kelas dengan saya je? Dengan saya je? Ada kelas lain lagi lah. Tengah consider je. Nantilah I beritahu dalam group dah senang. Okay. Because let's say you guys kelas dengan saya je, so it's like bukanlah letih siapa nak balik ke weekend 4 hari, so it is worth it for you lah kan. Tapi if you have other classes that you need to attend, then I can proceed with my class. Itu je. Okay, tak apalah. Since you still have classes, nanti I can decide. Okay.